All right, everybody, this is called the Octo Thor, basically the pound sign, hashtag, whatever you want to call it, a bunch of single loops around cones, one cone at a time. You're gonna do 4 basically right-handed U-turns or 360s. You might get dizzy. Let's go ahead and jump into it. So first one's gonna be a familiarization. So we're gonna go around this first cone, nice and easy. We're gonna go all the way around this first cone, go to this next cone, nice and easy. If you notice, we're going to the outside cones the whole time. Nice and easy. Same thing on this last one. Oh, I wish I could exit, but I can't. Nice and easy. So a lot of counterweighting. There we go. Nice and easy all the way through. All right, so I think we got it. So there's a lot of counterbalancing, shifting weight to that left side, and then head and eye turn, friction zone throttle control. All right, let's go ahead and do that. Same thing. Nice and easy. Speed up a little bit maybe. Turn. Nice and easy. Maybe if I turn it quicker. Well, I don't want to do it on this one because of the camera. Just in case. All right, I'll try it on this one. I'm going to turn it quicker. Does not help me, at least. All right, that's number 2. We got the idea of the design. So 24.6 seconds. Let's see if we can improve that. Emergency brake. There we go. Here we go. This one, maybe I can cut it. It's just making it that through that cone right there, in between those 2 cones, that makes it difficult. This one, like, you can go like wide, like the, ooh, maybe that's a good idea. Ooh, I like that. I'm almost keeping like a right-handed turn the whole time. That's number 3. Let's see what we got. 23.5. All right. All right, so same thing here. Let's go ahead and see what we can do. So a lot of head and eye movement. Counterweighting. Head and eye movement, counterweighting. Now this one I feel like I can go a little bit wider. Like right here, start over here. And then cut that. Head and eye movement. So basically my chin is on my right shoulder the whole time. 23.4, okay. All right, number 4, I think. So counterweight, friction zone, throttle control. So this one I feel like I can get some speed because I went wide. Oh, don't hit the camera. Almost target fixated on the camera. $22.3. All right, let's do one more. Let's do one more. Oh, not enough counterweight on that one. I almost put my foot down. I target fixated on that camera. I don't want to hit it, but that's fine. I didn't hit a cone, so time's still good. 23.179. All right, everybody. Those are all the drills for the Smart Rider games to start. I'm adding more and more and more, coming up with new ones. But basically, this is the same pattern. You don't have to adjust cones like in Moto Gymkhana or any of those bike rodeo stuff. You keep the 10 cones as is. Exit is the same place as your start. Bring a friend, compete against each other. Obviously, don't stack up so you hit each other, but go ahead and like move over. Then it's like time for turns and changes. Compete, have fun. If you film it, upload it to YouTube, send it to me in DM on Instagram or email at DanDanTheFireman@ddfmcrew.com. And maybe we'll show it on the live stream that we happen to have almost every Thursday at 11 a.m., unless I'm out of town. But with that said, practice. You could download these designs for free right now. Grab it. Let's go.